A project we recently completed is an on-site knife sharpening 2016 commercial box fan. We installed a 270 amp hour Battle-Born lithium battery, a Victron energy battery monitor, and we installed a Victron MultiPlus 3000 VA inverter charger, along with a transfer switch to manage shore power and the generator. The multi-control is used to manage the current and switch for the inverter. We also installed an LIBIM to maximize the charge coming from the vehicle's alternator. If you are considering RV solar, a lithium battery upgrade, or new cabinetry for your RV, please fill out our contact form and get a quote today. You can enjoy the outdoors even more with RV Solar.